And this brings us to strategy number 3, the old-fashioned way. Sell your house first and then buy the next house, but utilizing your timelines effectively. Now, this is not without risk, but I have seen numerous clients pull this off and not even need to recast or use a bridge loan. If this is your first time to this channel and you want to know everything about financing a home purchase, then subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about updates to the mortgage financing world. You can do this one of 2 different ways. First, you could sell your house and then ask the buyer for what we call a rent back. And that's exactly what it sounds like. You are renting your house back from the person you sold your house to. Now, the limitation with this approach is typically the buyer's financing is going to require them to occupy the property in 60 days. So that only gives you 60 days to find and close on your next house. So realistically, that means you have 30 days to find your house, and then you have 30 days to go through your inspections, your appraisal, your financing, all of that stuff. So it might be a bit ambitious, but it can be done. Now, it would be very important to have a backup plan on where you're going to live if you can't get it done in 60 days. If you have family you can stay with temporarily, then this may be an easy solution for you, but you may have to move twice, and that's the risk you run. The other approach is when you make your offer to purchase the next house, one of the items you will negotiate is the closing date. You can negotiate to close in 45 days or 60 days to give you as much time as possible to sell your house. So you turn around, you sell your house before you need to close on your next home. This works really well if your house is already staged, it's ready to go, and all you have to do is just put it on the market. Now, the limitation with this approach is that you have contractually obligated yourself to purchase this next home non-contingent. So if you haven't sold your house by the time closing rolls around, you need to be able to complete closing, and you can't back out with the excuse, oh, my home hasn't sold yet. You need to have a plan B in case your house doesn't sell. Maybe that plan B is the bridge loan or a recast. So if you can't qualify for more than one mortgage at a time, I would strongly advise you do not do this approach. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to share with your friends and family, and stay tuned for more mortgage insights.